Friends, this is Ajni Kumar. Welcome to 9SEM. So, I want to continue from the previous session, and today our topic is features of completed welds. There is parent metal. What is parent metal? Metal to be joined or surfaced by welding, braze welding or brazing is called parent metal. Filler metal, metal added during welding, braze welding, brazing or surfacing. Next one is weld metal. All metal melted during the making of a weld and retained in the weld is called weld metal. Now next is heat affected zone. The part of the parent metal metallurgically affected by the weld or thermal cutting heat but not melted. Fusion line, boundary between the weld metal and the heat affected zone, HAZ in a fusion weld. This is a non-standard term for weld junction. Weld zone, zone containing the weld metal and the HAZ. Weld face, the surface of a fusion weld exposed on the side from which the weld has been made. Next one is weld root, zone on the side of the first run furthest from the welder. Next one is weld toe, boundary between a weld face and the parent metal or between runs. This is a very important feature of a weld since toes are points of high stress concentration and often they are initiation points for different types of cracks. Example, fatigue cracks and cold cracks. In order to reduce the stress concentration, toes must blend smoothly into the parent metal surface. Now next is excess weld metal. Weld metal lying outside the plane joining the toes. Other non-standard terms for this feature, reinforcement and overfill. Note, the term reinforcement, although commonly used, is inappropriate because any excess weld metal over and above the surface of the parent metal does not make the joint stronger. In fact, the thickness considered when designing a welded component is the design throat thickness, which does not include the excess weld metal. Now the next is run. You can say pass also. So single run weld or multi run weld. The metal melted or deposited during one passage of an electrode, torch or blowpipe. Next one is layer. Stratum of weld metal consisting of one or more runs. So this is all about the terminology. So for now it's time to say goodbye.